Friends, welcome back to AppIQ, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add and remove speed dial numbers on your Android or Samsung Galaxy phone. So click the phone icon or the phone app on your phone and you want to go to keypad. Now once you're at keypad guys, you want to click the three dots on the upper right hand side and you will find speed dial numbers. You want to tap on that. Now here, by default, you can see that there is one, and this is a voicemail. So if you want to quickly access your voicemail box, this is how you can easily find the number for it. Now to add a speed dial number, you can either enter the number there, or you can simply tap the profile icon towards the right hand side. So if you tap on that, that will take you into your contacts, and you can just find and choose the person who you want to add in your speed dial. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to add few contacts there. So as you can see, I add that person and I'm going to add a second person as well. Now, once you do that, that's all you have to do. You don't have to save anything, right? You can come out and those speed dials will be there. Now I'm going to go back into that speed dial again and you can see that the numbers are there. Now, if you look towards the right hand side of each of those contacts, you can see like a red minus. If you tap on that, it will remove a person from speed dial. So if you want to add or remove persons from your speed dial, that's how you add the numbers to speed dial numbers. So at any point in time, you want to quickly access a number, you can simply tap the three dots on the upper right hand side, go to speed dial, and you can easily go ahead and ring that person. So you don't have to search for contacts in your phone. So you can easily add your favorite person or your favorite numbers that you call pretty often, and you can easily call them. This acts as well something like a favorite. So if you want to add like a favorites number or something, you can add those contacts to speed dial. But that's it guys, very easy and very simple.